very interesting experience. Um, I definitely feel that my understanding of his poetry becomes deeper, and when it works the best, I feel like there's this meeting of my voice as a writer of poetry and his voice as a writer of poetry. So it's like we both end up writing the translation together. It definitely, you know, having translated so many of his poems, it definitely, it affects me in my life, and I'm always thinking about them and always in awe of them. But also, it's good for me because it helps me keep the events of my own life in perspective, because he went through so much, and also is very inspiring because you can feel in his poems that this is somebody who, despite having been through such horrifying experiences, still really loved life and had a lot that he was thankful for, and that really inspires me in my everyday